On a four-legged table, you have one grandma, two moms, two daughters, and one grandchild. How many legs are under the table? Can you solve this riddle? Take your time and give your answer in the comment section below. After that, I will tell you the correct solution of the riddle.
If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and enable notifications so that you do not miss any latest video.
Now watch the video till the end to get the correct answer. There is one grandma. Woman 1 is woman 3 grandma. There are two moms. Woman 1 is woman 2 mother and woman 2 is woman 3 mother. There are two daughters. Woman 2 is woman 1 daughter and woman 3 is woman 2 daughter. There is one grandchild. Woman 3 is woman 1 grandchild. So now we have one grandma, two moms, two daughters and one grandchild, which is equal to 3 women. 3 people have 6 legs. As the table has 4 legs, simply add 4 and you get the final answer. Answer should be 10. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.